Hi, this is Amy Bernard, and this is for EDOL 707 Assignment 1.3, the Lead from the Heart video. And so just starting with it, Mark Crowley's vision is that leadership is from the heart. It's led from that place. When we build relationships and get to know people, that's how we become true leaders and build our leadership skills. And so when we look at that, that is the true nature of who we are as human beings. We want to connect to others. We want to know that we matter and we're important, no matter what role we play within a business or a family. In any aspects, we want to know we're important and our voices matter. So by leading from the heart, we are doing those things. We are listening to those we work with. Leadership in that aspect is not top down, it's all across. It's from every aspect. Every person is a leader in their own way. And so that's really the idea behind that leading from the heart. And it's the human nature. We treat other people like humans, just like we want to be treated. When we look at the case against leading from the heart, this is very difficult for me. I truly believe relationships and using our heart to help guide decisions is key. And so even looking into my own district that I work for, that's our belief. We believe in people. We always say we're hard on the issue, soft on the people. We stand by the issues that are important, which is the children we work for. But we're all people in that business. And so we treat them that way. So it's very hard for me to go against it. The biggest thing I hear from some outliers is if we lead from the heart, we kind of lose that aspect of really making good decisions, that we're letting our feelings about other people's overshadow our true judgment, and we're not making data-based decisions when we're leading from the heart. And I would say the opposite is true. We use data to make those decisions while still understanding that we're all people and we're all humans and that we need that respect and values. So that is my beliefs in, while people may argue against it, we really start looking at the nature and the heart of education. Education is all about leading from the heart. It's treating children the way we want to be treated and helping them grow to be the adults we want them to be. My transformational change project is actually on an inclusive education model. So students within the special day class for mild to moderate disabilities in my district are segregated. While they spend social time with students in general education, they spend very little academic time. And over time, it has been shown through data that these students, once they enter this classroom, never get out. Though that's what the idea is. It's a little bit of help, short term, to help them overall. So really looking at how do we get them back in the general education and help them succeed more, because their achievement has also declined. They're not making growth and achievements as we can see through the California dashboard and other aspects. They're just staying stagnant. And so it's because they're in the same class day in, day out, same students. They don't have appropriate academic role models, appropriate social role models, which leads to behavior. And so by getting them back in the general education classroom, we are giving them all of that, high rigor in academics so that they're held to high standards, even if they need support getting there. That's okay. We all need help in different ways and have strengths. They also have those social role models and working through that. And so really, as I look through Mark Crowley's Lead from the Heart, the biggest things that I'm thinking about and how to lead from the heart within my TCP is one, first, appreciate, respect, and encourage and empower all those I work with. I'm a district administrator, but I work for so many different levels of people that I can empower to support these students. And that's what I need to do, is give them that power, but also know that I appreciate the hard work they do day in and day out. I need to take the time, listen to them, especially when I don't have the time. That's the honest answer. But I need to listen and hear their concerns so that I can truly address them and support them. I also just want to show warmth. I love relationships. It's my biggest strength. And I want to show warmth to them through everything we do. And that this isn't my project. This is our project. It's our district's project and how we can work together for that piece. And so overall, those are my ideas on how to use Mark Crowley's Leading from the Heart to really continue my own leadership skills and build leadership in my district as I work towards an inclusive model for all students. Thank you so much. This was for EDOL 707 1.3.